I'm thinking lots of different things for holidays. What are you planning?
We as a family love holidays. Well, we've always decorated quite a bit, so we're going to go all out. We'll actually have an after hours event for Halloween. It'll be a little more adult, it'll be a lot scarier. Got a very large barn, over 5,000 square feet. We'll convert it to a haunted barn. We'll have mazes, got a huge pumpkin patch, haunted hay rides. There'll be a lot of things going on during the day still. We'll have a kid-friendly haunted house and face painting and caramel apples and all sorts of goodies. But when it comes nighttime, we'll really up it a notch and have a haunted farm here.
So on Christmas time and in our winter festival time, what are you guys going to plan for the farm?
Well, we have a lot of things that we'll do, but one of the biggest things I think that'll be the most exciting is everything here will be decorated. We will not skimp out on lights, and we have a lot of buildings. So just being able to stroll through the entire farm and just have millions and millions of Christmas lights. There's nothing that get you ready for the holidays, especially Christmas time, than having some music and the lights and just the ambiance of Christmas.